Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video I'll be showing you a very natural, effective and wonderful way you can get rid of dullness or scales on your skin. This remedy is going to get rid of any kind of dullness on your skin or any kind of scales on your skin. This remedy is going to enrich your skin with all the necessary vitamins, minerals and nourishment your skin desires to stay healthy. If this is the first time stopping by, click on the subscribe button below, turn on the notification bell if you haven't already, and if you find this video useful and helpful, share with your friends and loved ones. If you like it, give us a huge thumbs up. The first ingredient we'll be needing for this simple remedy is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera gel is rich in antiseptic, antibacterial, antifungal properties, which is going to fight any kind of bacteria or infection on your skin, and is going to heal you of any kind of infection on your skin. It's going to help get rid of any kind of skin irritation. Aloe vera gel contains anti-aging properties and is going to reduce the aging process of your skin. Aloe vera gel is going to purify your skin cells by dragging out any kind of toxins from your skin. Aloe vera gel is going to give you that natural and radiant glow, and is going to help moisturize, revitalize your skin. Coconut milk. Coconut milk is rich in moisturizing properties, is rich in vitamins and minerals that is necessary for a healthy and radiant skin. Coconut milk is going to give your skin that natural creaminess, is going to nourish your skin, is going to revitalize your skin and give you a beautiful and younger look. Banana. Banana contains anti-aging properties. It's going to reduce the aging process of your skin. Banana is going to get rid of any kind of free radicals on your skin. Banana is going to create a protective barrier on your skin, therefore locking down the moist on your skin, not allowing it to escape into the air. Banana is going to help protect your skin from ultraviolet ray. Banana is going to give you that shiny, younger and tender look. Banana is going to rejuvenate your skin. It's going to give your skin a very soft and smooth feel. So let's get started with the preparation of this remedy. Wash, peel and match the banana. I'll just peel the banana into my mortar and match it to form a really nice paste. If you have a blender, you can just toss this into your blender and blend it out. So I'll just go ahead and chop this into small chunks so that it's going to be easy to pound. Get the remains out. Just this quantity is okay. We extract the gel into our mortar so that we can pound this to form a really nice and smooth paste, as smooth as possible. But if you have a blender, you can just go ahead and blend all this together. So we're extracting our gel. And if you have the already prepared gel that are sold in stores and supermarkets, you can use that. As well, but I'll recommend you use this fresh aloe vera gel. That's the gel. So we'll just match this, match the gel. Gel is ready, so we'll just add this to our mixing bowl. Add our coconut milk. Just need about 3 to 4 spoons of the coconut milk. This is 1 tablespoon. 2 tablespoons and 3 tablespoons. So now guys, we'll just go ahead and stir our ingredients together to form a really nice paste. If you have honey, you can use honey, and if you also have yogurt, you can also use yogurt. All the same, the effect will still be amazing. So guys, this is our remedy. Just go ahead, massage this into your skin, every area of your body. Just massage this gently into your skin. You'll feel how smooth, and you can see that guys, you feel the smoothness of this remedy. You feel the smooth and soft and gentleness of this remedy on your skin. This remedy is going to amaze you. It's going to give you a beautiful, younger, tender and radiant look. It's going to give you that shiny glow on your skin. So you apply it like this on your skin. Apply for about 2 minutes. You allow it to sit on you till completely dried. Then you wash it off with warm water. You repeat this maybe twice a week for about 2 to 3 weeks, and believe me guys, you will be amazed at the change you realize on your skin. You have a brighter skin, a softer skin, a supple, radiant and younger skin. So guys, this is all I have to share with you. Do try this at home and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And if you like this video, give us a huge thumbs up, share with your friends and family if you found it interesting and useful. Don't forget to click on the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload new, useful and interesting videos like this on this channel. Till my next video guys, I'll see you all very soon. Bye.